Hey everyone, welcome back to What's News. You guys have been wondering how to get into cryptocurrency, and I've been getting some requests from some people that watch me to put out a little tutorial video. How do I start up buying Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency? How do these work? How do I set up an account and how do I fund the account and so on? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that today. Now, before going ahead, I must make something clear. I'm not advocating for cryptocurrency as an investment. However, a small amount of allocation to cryptocurrency is not such a bad idea given what's been happening in the market lately. You see, cryptocurrencies are here to stay in one form or the other. So it's probably prudent to at least dip your toes in and understand the ecosystem and get a feel of things so that tomorrow, if you need to be more involved, you're already set up. And that's what we're going to do today. A very short tutorial on how you should get yourself set up for trading cryptocurrencies. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, hi guys. So the steps are very simple, but they will take a little bit of time. So I suggest you watch this video through and just follow everything step by step, and you should be good to go very shortly. Step number 1 is set up an account on a cryptocurrency exchange. Now this could be any exchange you want. There are very many out there. The one I'll be using today is Binance, simply because I've been using it for 2 years without a hitch, and it is very robust. And we'll get into some of the reasons why we use Binance a little later. So step 1 is to set up a cryptocurrency exchange account. Step 2 is to fund that account. This might take a little while and I'll show you how to do it. So let's just get into it. Step 1 is we go to Binance. Binance is the one I recommend, and it's because it's the one I use and it's the one I'm most familiar with. So if you go to binance.com, I'm using a private window here so it does not recognize me. Yes, there you go. And it has options to log in. So if I click on login, I can enter my email and password to log in my case. But in your case, what you want to do is you want to register. So you create a free account, you put your email and password. Now what it's going to do is it's going to send you an email confirmation, and it's going to start up your account in less than a minute. It's that easy. However, it's going to do two things after that. One, it's going to ask you to have two-factor authentication, and I strongly recommend you do this. Binance will ask you to install something called a Google Authenticator, and it's a very simple app that's available on any app store, both iOS and Android. You download that. Every time you open an app, it has a number and a counter. When you go into Binance, when you enter your email address and password, the next step, let me just show you right now, in fact, it's going to ask you for an email verification code and a Google verification code. What you got to do is you got to go to your email and look for the Binance email that's come and put that code in over there. Then you've got to open the Google Authenticator app and use that code in the second field over here, and you click submit. Once you click submit, you'll be taken to the home page, which looks like this. And very simply, they've got a big buy now button over here. But before that, I'd like you to go take a look up here in the top left where it says buy crypto, and you've got a few options. You've got bank deposit, credit and debit card, you've got P2P trading, and third-party payment. So bank deposit and credit card are probably the two easiest ways to use it. So if you click on credit and debit card right here, it takes you to this very simple place where you can see buy crypto or sell crypto. So you can choose which one to do, and you can pick your currency, whichever they may be. So let's say I want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, right? You can go here and click on any coin you want. You want Ripple, you want Ethereum, Cardano, it doesn't matter. Let's say Ethereum for the purposes of an NFT, for example. If you want to buy an NFT, chances are you'll need Ethereum. But basically, it's the same process for any cryptocurrency that you want to buy. So then you say buy Ethereum, and then it says identity verification. You click on verify now, and here's the important part. Now this is basically a KYC like a bank would do, and this is really important because they want to make sure that they are in step with regulations around the world. So they take your first and last name, your date of birth. You'll need your unique facial verification, so you can upload a photo of your ID and take a picture of yourself to verify your ID. Here's the tricky part. This might take an hour, this might take a few minutes, or this might take a few days to verify. So I suggest you get on this part of the process and you upload your information directly right away. I don't need to do this because this is my secondary account. On my other account, I already have it funded. So let's just go ahead and see where this money goes. Basically, when you buy your Bitcoin or Ethereum, it goes straight into your wallet, and you can see the wallet up here in the top right hand side. You click on wallet and click on overview. I'm going to show you my wallet because that's fine, no big deal. This one's got $4,000 in it, and it's an estimated balance of 0.069 Bitcoin. That doesn't mean I have this much Bitcoin. That just means this is the Bitcoin equivalent, and this is the dollar equivalent of what I have. I might be holding number of currencies, but it shows me the equivalent total in Bitcoin or dollars. So now if you go over here on the top right hand side, you have deposit, withdraw, and transfer, right? So we're going to leave this as it is. Assuming that you have funded this account, this is where your money will stay for now. And using this, you can download the Binance app and you can buy and sell as you would, and it's very similar to a normal trading app. So right now I'm going to stop this video right here, because the point of this video was just to get you started with the process. It is a process that might take a few days, even a couple of weeks in many cases. So I suggest you follow the steps of this video, and if you have any questions, just drop a comment down below and I'll try and answer as many of them as possible. If you're a tabler, then feel free to get in touch with anyone in the Dubai Creek Round Table, myself included, and be happy to chat with you and answer any questions you might have. I hope this is a good start to your crypto trading journey, but thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you took some value from this. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll show you how to start buying and selling NFTs. If you're wondering what a non-fungible token is, we have a video on that. You can check it out on this channel, and I've tried to explain it in layman's terms, so hopefully that's of good value as well. I'll see you in the next one. Stay colorful.